Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth because QuickShare uses both to discover devices and transfer files quickly. Once done, open your Photos app and select the images you want to send. Choose multiple if needed. Make sure the recipient's device is unlocked and visible. Then tap the share icon, scroll to QuickShare, and tap it to begin discovery. This first step initiates the handshake between devices so transfers complete reliably and at higher speeds. Once QuickShare lists nearby devices, select the correct recipient so you avoid sending photos to the wrong person. You'll see a preview and total file size. Confirm those details because large batches take longer and may use more battery. If the recipient must accept, prompt them to tap Accept. If it's Auto Receive, transfers start immediately. Tap Send and monitor the progress indicator. Pause or cancel if you pick the wrong files. Then retry with the corrected selection. After transfer finishes, confirm the recipient can see and open the photos in their gallery. This verifies integrity. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and try again, because reconnection often clears handshake issues. If discovery still fails, move devices closer or use QR pairing if available to establish a secure link. Finally, retry sending a single small photo to test the connection before attempting large batches, so you avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.